Hello beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I prepared this delicious and nutritious egg cabbage stew. This is very simple and easy to put together. Start by sauteing some onions in a little oil. After a couple of minutes, go ahead and add any hot pepper of your choice. I used the powdered pepper, followed by canned tomatoes. Then again, feel free to use any tomatoes of your choice, okay? I had this leftover tomatoes in my fridge. This is about 1/4 of the canned tomatoes. It's not going to go waste, right? So I added it. Allow this to fry on a medium heat, okay? Don't rush this. If need be, just make it low to medium heat. You want the flavors to be built up. Anyways, it takes about 30-35 minutes to get this done, right? So why the rush? Yeah? Okay. I'm going to enjoy this stew with yams. If you know me, you know I don't joke with my yams. As I say, so put a papa B. That's yam over there. Peel it, wash it nicely, and cut into your preferred sizes. You can use cold water to cook this, okay? I always put water on the fire. Meme pentem, okay? I'm always in a hurry to eat. I don't joke with my food. If today is your first time watching me, please subscribe to the channel. The name is Pretty Sarah, all right? Thank you for watching me. Now is the perfect time to season our stew. Oh, yes. So I added curry powder, all pepper seasoning, salt. Use any salt you have, okay? I use the pink salt. But I also added some grated nutmeg. I love curry and nutmeg in my stews. This is vegetables, right? You don't need to do much when you're making vegetable stew because we want the nutrients from the veggies, right? So that's the nutmeg that just went in. I also added mackerel. I poured some of the brine water away. Yes, because I didn't want the stew to be watery. I needed just that bit so I could steam the cabbage. Yes, we all know cabbage is very crunchy. I don't want it too soft. If you do, then you can choose to boil it separately. I don't want it that way because I feel like if you're discarding that water, you are discarding the nutrients as well, right? So I love to cook the cabbage in my stew or my sauce, however you want to call it. This is the yams. They are ready. Now, let's go ahead and add our eggs. So, this is optional. This is optional. If you don't eat eggs, that's fine. Just add your tuna flakes, your mackerel fish, any protein of your choice, which is not egg. Please add the eggs whilst your cabbage is not fully cooked, okay? Why am I saying this? We tend to let the cabbage cook fully before adding the eggs. That way you are also overcooking the cabbage. This food, no overcooking here, what I say. So the cabbage was still very crunchy. That was after 5 minutes into the cooking of the cabbage. Then I added the whisked egg. By the way, I seasoned my eggs with salt. It's very important to season every layer. Added it to the cabbage, covered it, okay, undisturbed, okay. Just adjust, make little adjustments so the eggs are evenly distributed in the stew. Cover, give it about 5 minutes. Make sure you reduce the heat as well. Go in after about 5 to 6 minutes again, and then adjust. Don't stir, okay, just adjust. So you can only stir after about 10 minutes of cooking the eggs. Somebody is here. Who is here?
Alicia.
Alicia.
This is cabbage stew.
I don't know everyone.
We're gonna eat it with yams.
Yeah. This channel is for her. Let's add spring onions, scallions. If you know me, you also know that I love scallions, right? Just add it. Apart from the color, it's also nutritious. You can also choose to add the purple onions or the green bell pepper.
This is looking good.
It is looking good.
If you don't know how to make this, you just go on our channel and search Pretty Sarah 31 or Pretty Sarah playlist, and then we will show you how to make it.
Now let's pair this with our yams. Know that you can also pair this with your rice, your potatoes, your plantains, or even eat it as it is. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share to your friends and family. Let's all eat well and healthy this year. Happy New Year once again, and thank you for your support. Bye and see you in my next one.